Are you confused? I'm here and I'll help you decide between the Oneplus Bullets Wireless Z and the Boat Rockerz 255 Pro in terms of build quality, comfort, sound quality and everything that is important to you. So let's go. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on these earphones, you can check out the first link in the description below. And if you could support this channel by liking this video and subscribing to the channel, it would be highly appreciated. So recently Oneplus released their Bullets Wireless Z earphones and I posted the review on the channel. Since there are so many options in this earphones world and all of you guys were a little confused between this one and the Boat Rockerz 255 Pro or the regular one. So today I'll be clearing out all of your confusion by comparing both of these earphones head to head in all the aspects. So stick around as this video is going to be a little longer than usual. So starting with this video, let's quickly unbox these earphones and see what you guys can expect inside. So here are the shipping packets from Amazon, and as they are not pretty looking packets, so let's quickly unbox these and take out our retail packagings. So here it is. Not going to read anything from the box word by word because we don't have enough time. So let's pop these boxes open, and inside we get our earphones, USB cable, ear tips and our beloved user manual. But that was a zippy zap unboxing, and now let's move to the review, shall we? Design. Now starting with the design, both earphones have their own unique design language. Talking about the OnePlus, it is more elegant looking earphone with black, blue, mint and oud color options, whereas the Boat is more of a sporty looking earphones with blue, teal, black, red and black yellow color options. Now there is difference between the neckband of the two. On the OnePlus we have very soft neckband which doesn't irritate at all, and you can easily fold these earphones and put it in your pocket. On the other hand, the Boat has more rigid neckband as compared to OnePlus, but you can wind these as well, put it in your pocket. But I don't know why I have this feeling that over time the shape of this neckband on the Boat will deform. For weight comparison, both earphones are lightweight. Boat is 27.2 grams and OnePlus is 28 grams, so more or less both weighs the same. But now let's move to the build quality. Now build quality is solid on both of these earphones. Now these are electronic products, and for one it can break in 1 week and for some it will work for ages. But looking at both of these earphones, they look substantial and I don't think you will face any kind of build quality issues. But you can share your experience down below in the comment section if you had any issues with any one of these earphones. The one thing is for sure, I don't think any of these earphones will be damaged by water, as there are IPX5 rating on the Boat and a little better IP55 rating on the OnePlus. So if you want to use these earphones for workout or running in rain, go have fun. Comfort and fitting. Now I don't have to say it, but it's quite obvious that earphones you are about to buy should be comfortable and shouldn't fall after every few seconds. So in terms of comfort, I will say both earphones are equally comfortable and you can easily rock these earphones for longer sessions. And a major advantage with the Boat is the ear hooks, and believe me, it will make sure earphones are glued to your ears. No matter what you are doing, they won't fall out that easily. But on the OnePlus we don't get any sort of ear hooks, so you can't rely on them for bouncing too hard. But the shape of the earphones is like inside part of your ears, so you can still use them in light workout or running. Features. There are a ton of features on both of the devices. Especially on the OnePlus, we have Qualcomm QCC 3024 chip quick pair, which means the device will pair blazingly fast with your devices, either if you are on a OnePlus device or on any other device. Warp charging is also there, which means 10 minutes of charge will give you around 10 hours of playback. We will discuss about battery later in this video, but a handy feature we get is the quick switch, which means you can switch connection back and forth between two devices by pressing this button twice. For charging, we have USB-C connection, which is so good to see, and the low latency mode is also there, which doesn't work. I have tested this on my OnePlus 5T, which is the supported device for this mode, and the results are nowhere near to 110 milliseconds. I can get good results for YouTube videos, but not in any game. Now like the OnePlus, on the Boat we also get Qualcomm CSR8635 chip, but there is no autoplay or auto pause feature and no fast pair support. We do have magnetic earbuds, which is good, and fast charging. Although this is not as fast as OnePlus, with this you will be able to charge the earphones under 1 hour. This was considered as fast charging at the time these earphones were launched. A bummer, we get micro USB cable instead of USB-C, and lastly there is no low latency mode either. Now I will admit the features are not as strong on the board, and you might be thinking why in this world he is making this comparison, but once we get to the end of this video everything will make sense. But now let's talk about the battery life. Now talking about the battery specification on these earphones, we have 110 mAh battery on the Rockerz 255 Pro, which doesn't have fast charging. It has what they call ASAP charging. So cool. Which can full charge the device in an hour and should give you somewhere around 6 hours of playback. Now I've tested this and I got around 5 hours of playback, which is quite average. But on the OnePlus we have unknown amount of battery mAh, but what we get is the warp charging, and if you charge the device for 10 minutes, it should give you somewhere around 10 hours of playback. You can also full charge the earphones. You don't have to charge only for 10 minutes. And if you do so, it will take you around 30 minutes to charge full. And after that, OnePlus says it will last for 20 hours. And for me, it was around 18 hours, which is still impressive. Inline mic. Both earphones can be used to take calls, as there is an inline mic on both of these earphones. Both have a volume rocker as well, so you can do everything from these earphones like play, pause, change tracks, adjust the volume, take calls and use voice assistant. Now the buttons are on the neckband on the Rockerz, and on the OnePlus it is on the wire, which is more convenient. But speaking about the inline mic, this is what the inline mic sounds like. So this is the audio quality test of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z inline mic. And this is the audio quality test of the inline mic on the Rockerz 255 Pro. Sound quality. Now I don't know which earphones you will end up buying after watching this video, but what I do know is that this is the only dominating factor which is going to help you in deciding which will suit you the best, and that is the sound quality. Now both earphones have distinct sounds. Talking about the OnePlus, you will find it to be much more balanced, rich and bright. It has 9.2mm driver, and I will say it produces great sound. You have ample amount of bass, that is, you don't feel like it's too much or it's too low, and the mids and highs are also very present. There is no distortion even at max volume, and they can get pretty loud as well. So if you listen to any genre like pop, rock, hip hop, R&B, acoustic, anything that is considered to be music genre, you will love them. But on the Rockerz 255 Pro, we have 10mm of driver, bigger than the OnePlus, and in terms of sound, I will say it produces hefty amount of bass. They do produce good mids and highs, but not very present like the OnePlus. But what they do pump out is a lot of bass. They are freaking loud and way too louder than the OnePlus. If I have to listen to these for more than a minute, I'll be deaf, definitely. Now you will face a little bit of distortion near the max volume, but I don't think you will have to go that far. But this earphone is perfect for any kind of bass heavy genre like hip hop, trap, etc. So if your ears were watering during this explanation of both Rockerz, then you know what you should go with. And to make your job easier, best deals are provided down below in the description for both of these earphones. Now if you're still confused, let me give you a litmus test for the sound quality. If you are the one who likes to keep the bass in your car at maximum and still feel like it's not enough, or you keep asking DJ wale bhaiya to turn the music louder, Boat is definitely for you. And if you are the one who likes even sound quality, no excessive bass, no mids, no highs, or you keep on complaining about the loud bassy music at every relative's wedding, then OnePlus is for you. Tathastu. And they see YouTube is a stressful job. Price. Talking about the price, there is quite a difference between the two. OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z is available for 2000 rupees and Boat is available for 1500 rupees, and you might get a lightning deal from the links down below in the description, as I've seen it going as low as 1000 rupees to 1200 rupees. So the difference is there. So if you ask me, I would say if you want all these features and even sound quality, and if you're willing to spend 2000 rupees on a freaking earphones, OnePlus Bullets Z Wireless is for you. It would be a great choice. But if you don't care much about the features and battery life, and you want to sacrifice everything for the bass, and you don't see any point in spending 2000 rupees on an earphone, then Rockerz 255 Pro. You're welcome. Hope this video helped you in your buying decision. I would love to hear which is your favorite. You can leave it down there in the comments below, and if you want me to bring any other review, comparison, anything, leave it down below as well. But that's it. That was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.